By 2030, something massive is going to change your life. Not just technology, but the way you think. There's a prediction that most people will stop using their brains, not because they can't, but because they won't need to. AI will be faster, cheaper, and more efficient. And for many people, that sounds like progress. But what if I told you that's actually the biggest threat to your future? Because listen carefully, AI is not your enemy. Complacency is. Right now, AI is writing, designing, coding, and making decisions in seconds. In many cases, it's already outperforming experts, and it's getting smarter every single day. So the real question is not, will AI take your job? That's surface-level thinking. The real question is, are you slowly losing your ability to think? Because that changes everything. Think about it. We used to solve problems. Now we write prompts. We used to remember things. Now we search. We used to think deeply. Now we scroll endlessly. And without realizing it, we are outsourcing our brains. But here's where everything changes. The human brain is not just a processor, it's a creator. AI can generate information, but it cannot assign meaning. It has never felt pain, never experienced loss, never struggled, and never built something from nothing. It can copy emotion, but it can never feel it. And that difference is everything. Because your real power comes from your ability to connect your experiences, your emotions, and your perspective into something unique. That's creativity. That's intuition. That's human intelligence. Yes, AI is fast, but speed without direction is useless. AI can analyze a book, but a human can be transformed by it. AI sees patterns, but humans understand why they matter. AI gives answers, but powerful people ask better questions. And in the future, the winners won't be the ones with the best tools. They will be the ones who think better, question deeper, and refuse to become passive. Here's the truth you can't ignore. If you stop thinking, you lose your power. Not because AI is stronger, but because you chose comfort over growth. Your brain is like a muscle. Use it and it grows. Ignore it and it weakens. So don't ask AI versus human who wins. Ask yourself, am I operating at my highest level? Because this was never a war, it's an opportunity. AI gives you speed, but you choose direction. AI gives you answers, but you decide what matters. AI gives you leverage, but you bring vision. And when you combine both, that's when you become unstoppable. So don't compete with AI. Master yourself. Train your mind. Upgrade your thinking. Because the future does not belong to machines. It belongs to humans who know how to use them. Now decide, will you use your brain or replace it? Because that one choice will define your next 10 years.